Hello, and what the heck is up, my Atlanteans? Okay, so I don't know why I look a little blue, but that's okay, because today's video, I don't care about anything else except for what we're unboxing today. For today's video, we have the first Monster High Skullector Elvira doll, and this was, as I said, this is the first Elvira doll. There has since been 3, which makes so much sense. Elvira is the mother of monsters. That is what she's known for, otherwise being the Mistress of the Dark. So she is a horror and goth icon. Everyone loves her, at least in that community. And the fact that Monster High wanted to collaborate with Miss Cassandra Peterson to get an Elvira doll out, that's for me. That's for me. And I do watch the Elvira Mistress of the Dark movie every year for the spooky season. So this is so exciting. In case you're new here, thank you for clicking on my channel. Right now, what this video is like part of a series that I'm doing, because I'm trying to appreciate my dolls more. Because I feel like overconsumption is like a big thing in this community. Like, a lot of people keep their dolls in box, which is a thing that actually there's no harm in that at all. It's just that me personally, I love holding and playing with my dolls, and taking them out of the box is one way that I show appreciation to them. And there's a lot of work that goes into the doll, so having the doll in box in a closet, that kind of pisses me off. For me, myself. Otherwise, I do love seeing people's in-box collections, don't get me wrong. This is what the box looks like. Okay, we'll do the box, and then we'll look at the doll, okay? This doll was brought to us by my amazing boyfriend, Alex. Thank you so much. He got this for me, I don't know when it came out, was that 2 years ago? And he bought it secondhand, and he has not told me how much he paid for it. So this is a very, very special doll, and this doll is in my forever collection for sure. Getting into it, so this is what the front of the box looks like, and this is what Elvira looks like, or I mean, I guess in doll form. Her face, allegedly, I have not seen a single Elvira unboxing video, so I cannot tell you if there's any hidden details or anything, but this is what she looks like in doll form, and she's kind of looking a little bit like Headless Headmistress, and we are getting a live action Monster High movie, so I would love to see her play the Headless Headmistress. That would be so cool. That'd be so cool. Elvira in her classic font, this time in red, Mistress of the Dark, and at the bottom it says from the makers of Monster High Skullector. And then on the side here we have another image of the beautiful Elvira. And then here it just says Elvira, and at the top it just says, you can see the dust. You can see the dust, that's so embarrassing. And on the back here, there's some words. What does it say? So it says, Elvira, Mistress of the Dark doll. Hello, darling. As the Mistress of the Dark, you know I love giving you glam, gore, and cheap thrills. Well, not too cheap, because mama's gotta eat. But my absolute favorite thing to do is curl up with my fellow creatures of the night and catch a great horror flick. And I've got the perfect outfit for a macabre movie night. A ghoulishly glam gown with a peekaboo split, cause hey, this is a family show. Paired with spooky spider stilettos, my signature dagger, and of course, Great Aunt Morgana's magic ring that goes with everything, including eternal damnation. So let's get ready for a night of screams and unpleasant dreams. And then we have a signature from Elvira. Yeah, okay, so that is the box. Going into it. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I do keep these boxes. I keep my collector boxes because I really appreciate the work that goes into them, except for the course ride. So I'm going to be keeping this box, and it's so cute. This is how crazy it's been. It's been so long since I've looked at the inside of this box, but this is basically the doll. This is what she actually looks like in the box. She is in her haunted house situation, which is really pretty. Here you can see the outside, which is shaped like a coffin, which is really cute. She's in what looks like her living room, if you've seen the show, you know. And there's the classic couch that she does all of her commentary episodes on. If you didn't know, Elvira, she was, even though she is like an icon at this point in time, back then she was doing like commentary on like bad horror movies, and she was hilarious. She was so funny. And at the bottom we have Mr. Algonquin, or Gong for short. And on this side we have a beautiful portrait of the actual Cassandra Peterson as Elvira with Gonk. And then we have some candles. What is that? Is that like a table with like a bone phone? That's cunt. She's cunt. She's so pretty. Okay guys, so, oh, and there's like frosty bits coming out from the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and open her up, and we're gonna take a closer look at Mother herself. Okay guys, so I just got her out of the box, and as you can see, I put her on a little couch so she can be in her like iconic type of situation. I want to show you guys real quick the little details. I didn't realize that there was stuff on the sides here too. So on this side we have a little mirror, and then a little image of Elvira. And then we have some ravens, or some crows, in a little cage, and little candles in a cage. And I really, really like that. I don't know if y'all can read that. Can I even? In the fire, it actually says, "Yours cruelly." And actually, now that I think about it, I don't think this is the house in the movie. Yeah, this looks like the set that she's on when she's doing her little commentaries. Here is Elvira. Yeah. And I know, okay, Elvira is a very, what is the word? I guess, internationally, maybe she's like not as well known. So I fear this one might be a little harder to like get into, but if you're a big Elvira fan like me, ooh, this is a really good doll. Okay, so first of all, getting her out of the box was kind of crazy. There was like, yeah, why is there like 5 different pins in her head? And like, I get she has like this crazy hairstyle, but doesn't that make things so much worse? But the execution of the hairstyle out of the box is very, very puss cunt. It does come with a couple other things. So first of all, of course, we have the certificate of authenticity, Monster High X Elvira, and it says this certifies that your Monster High Skullector Elvira, Mistress of the Dark doll, materialized through the collaborative efforts of designers and artists at Mattel. And then we have a signature by the main designer, and this one was designed by Rebecca Shipman. And last but not least, just like any Skullector doll, they don't really come with much. We have the usual Monster High stand. Of course, I would have preferred something nicer, but this will do for Elvira. I would have loved to see like a couch or something for her. I don't know. Anyway, for like gong, like why doesn't she have a gong? This is what she looks like. Oh my god, she's just so pretty. Okay, let's get into it. So her hair, it's in her iconic updo situation, half up, half down, with her hair kind of cascading down her back. Out of the box, her hair is fried as fuck, but that's okay, because if you're okay with boiling, Elvira's hair is like straight, so we can absolutely straighten that out for her. Her bangs are really nice. I like her little side bangs, and even her little updo is gelled really nicely. I don't know how it works, but I'm like scared to do anything with that. Her makeup is gorgeous. She looks just like Cassandra as Elvira. You can see the super colorful makeup, which is actually really, really cool. Because even though it's like super colorful, like it makes sense for her. Also, she was popularized in like the 80s, so they had that like glam thing going on. And so I think it just suits her so damn well. And her face is beautiful. Unfortunately, she does not have her twin sisters with her, but that's okay. That is not actually that important for the likeness of Elvira. I mean, it is part of her character, but I feel like I can live without it. Down to her dress, it is all one piece, just as it would be. So we have this plunging neckline, if you will, and it comes down to the little holster with the little knife, but the knife you cannot remove, unfortunately. That's all separate. But I like that it is colored in. The dress itself is actually really nice quality. Even though it's a super simple dress, you can see the little patterns, the little cobweb patterns on the dress that just repeats. We have these tattered sleeves, which are very iconic. This is her little manicure. On this side, we have the iconic ring that her aunt gave to her. You can see that, like, it's a really nice fabric. It all velcros up in the back. Another little surprise. If you've seen the movie, you would know. Dun dun dun! Yes, so I'm really excited to see that she does have her little batwing tattoo. Instead of, I think it's just a skull, but now it's just like the Monster High Skullet, which is really cool, guys. I think that's so funny. I know that Cassandra Peterson did have a hand in helping design this doll, so I'm really happy that Mattel was willing to do that. I mean, they better, like, that's her. You can see her really beautiful open slit dress, and it's tattered at the bottom, and as you can see, there's a little tag. Dress was actually tacked to the box too, which was really scary. But it's freaking lined. Like, the lining does tatter up at the bottom as well, but, like, I guess that's the point. It's, like, lined on the inside, but I guess it would start, like, waist down. Speaking of waist down, we have some little black leggings, which go up all the way, thank the Lord. Her shoes, she's got, I mean, she always wears the same pumps. I mean, she does switch them out sometimes, but, like, she is known for her high stilettos. And these stilettos, the way that they made it so, like, they made it Monster High-ish without changing the silhouette of it, I think that's gorgeous. So we have the little cobwebs kind of going throughout the actual shoe, and then on the back we have a little, I guess that's a keyhole. I don't actually know what that is, but yeah, that design. And then we have a little skullet down there, if you can see that. Okay, guys, so yeah, that is basically Elvira, and I'm really happy that I have her, because this was the first doll that I couldn't get. Like, I tried to buy her, didn't get her, so sad, and Alex went ahead and bought her for me for my birthday that year. So sweet. But yeah, I love her so much, and she's gonna be in my collection forever. I will be displaying her on the couch. I feel like that's natural. I feel like that's natural for her, so she will be going on the couch. Otherwise, thinking about the other Elvira dolls that have come out for Monster High Skullector, I really want the... I don't think I like the Comic-Con one that much. Yeah, I don't think I like the Comic-Con one that much, but the Amazon one, so down to get. I think the only difference is that the Amazon one doesn't have the little tattoo on her arm, but I think the doll itself is so gorgeous and the details are so pretty. I think having a quintessential Elvira doll, like a perfect Elvira doll, this is it for sure. And this is, oh my god, I'm just so happy I have her. I love her so much. And you have no idea how, like, sad I was that I couldn't get her. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram. Hit me up on my links in my description. But I, like, had to leave Instagram for a second because people were posting that they were getting the Elvira doll. So guys, that is everything for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what y'all think. Oh, right, and she also has the taller body. Like, she has the older sister body. by the way. Hope you guys liked this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want. Let me know what you think about Elvira. Do you know who Elvira is? If you don't know Elvira, highly recommend that you watch the movie. It is so, like, for an 80s movie about, with the main character being a woman, they do it so well. And like with Elvira's type of personality, it's just so funny to watch. That is everything for this video. Don't forget to hit up the links in my description, and I'll see y'all on the flip side. Bye bye.